He's like, it's like he's just talking so angrily. I'm a toothless reseller. Unfortunately, I went and picked up another Facebook listing yesterday. I've been cleaning these things, and well, I've been cleaning them, going through and seeing how if they work or not. I know a lot of resellers do not like selling DVDs and VHSs, but this was actually a pretty good lot because not only do we got one box and a tote, but we actually had a total of 3 boxes and a tote. I think there was a total, well, the listing said 450 plus, but I do believe there was over 500 because I didn't even count through this tote yet. I haven't cleaned it, no nothing, and I'm already at 400. So this box here, it's been cleaned. The other one's been cleaned. I've already been listing them. These have got a lot of horror movies in it. Like, I think it was actually from a collector's collection. When I showed up to this place to actually pick up these DVDs, for some reason, this guy was mad. Like, I didn't know if he was just like out of beer or what, but it was this older guy, this older woman. He told me to give the money to the woman. I paid a whole total of $50 for all these movies, but this guy was just so angry. Like he like I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if like she was just selling his collection because like maybe she was just wanting him out of the house, but there was like tote after tote after tote that I had to put in the boxes. Obviously, you guys have seen what I put them into. But like he was so angry and it was ridiculous. Like when he was bringing the DVDs out, he's like, it's like he's just talking so angrily, and it's just like, dude, just let me get these things into the boxes and I'll go. Like why are you so mad that I'm here? Like I'm just coming for the listing. Anyway, these are mostly horror movies, but there are some more action movies. Let's see here. We got Cellular. Some of these movies I haven't even heard of. Cloverfield, Identity. There is Contraband. I've seen it and heard of it, but I have not actually seen it. This was one of my favorite movies, but unfortunately, it was kind of made very low. Let's say it had a very low amount of money that they could use when they made that film, so it wasn't that great. This movie's pretty cool, to be honest with you. But there's a lot of them in here. These cases, I don't even know what to do with them other than stick other DVDs and stuff in them. We got the whole complete set of The Shield, and there are actually a lot more sets in the bottom down here, but I already listed most of the sets. There was Friends and stuff. This stack right here is mostly like the Dead set because I have to go I don't know if they'll play or not. That's the thing. I'm going to have to really go through. Like most of these right here are, well, I haven't went through them, but I have opened up the case and they don't have but maybe a slight scratch or like a hair scratch on them, so I know they'll play. These ones over here, they're really, really messed up disc, so they might have to be resurfaced and all that. Yeah, the light changed color or whatever. It's a different light bulb. It looks really weird on camera. So this actually was in some of these boxes. We got the small deals here. This is a collection from 1 to 10. We got all these guys over here. These are just VHSs, stuff like that. We got head cleaners and stuff. I got a stack of VHS back here. These are all, let's see here, this is Spawn 2. Yes, these all came with DVDs, just so you know. Spawn, there's a lot of different ones. There's like Oprah and stuff. Let's go on up here. We have this right here, this whole side. This is my other collection back here that's already listed in the back, and Blu-rays and all the other VHSs. These are from a different haul. Well, some of them are, because we got these top up here that actually came out of this haul as well. Here we got some more sets that came out, and then the top up here, those came out of this as well. The rest of them are down there in the basement just because there's so many sets, it's ridiculous. My last video wasn't supposed to be clickbait, but there was a jewelry box in a thumbnail, but it was for my aunt's stuff because she passed away, so we were having to go through all of her estate stuff. And as you can see in the living room here, let's go this way. As you can see, we actually have some of our stuff sitting here. We're still going through. A lot of it's in the basement, which we're about to go to because I want to show you that the jewelry box in the thumbnail was not clickbait. The jewelry box is actually there. We're in the basement at the moment. I'm kind of drying stuff out, so I got everything everywhere, boxes and stuff, because all that moisture came down the wall and got all over the floor. Just to show you guys that it wasn't clickbait on the last video, here is the jewelry box. Got a lot of glass stuff in here, so I gotta be careful. So as you can see down through here, you got all the rings. The watches are in the jewelry drawer down here at the bottom, which I cannot currently pull out. But yes, these rings are real. They're silver. Well, that one's silver. Let's see here. This one right here is gold. This is one of her most worn ring. This one right here is a turquoise ring with that silver, sterling silver. Also got this pretty cool one. This is like, it's black something. I can't think. Is it a sapphire? Maybe is what it is. But yeah, that's gold right there. They looked, to me, they looked fake until I was actually looking at the imprint on the actual ring on the bottom, and I found out they're actually real. That one's silver, and this one right here is silver, but this one has got the cool little rock in it. Maybe that's that. I don't know these stones and gemstones and all that stuff, so that's what that right there is. Don't want to do it. This right here is just all junk jewelry that's like silver and stuff like that. Wristwatch, the straps. All right, I'm getting myself confused. Got some pins in here, but that's it on those. These right here are like really cool glasses to be. I kind of wanted to keep them, but then I found out that they were candle holders, and I was like, really? I thought they were like a shot glass on a really long stemmed seat there. So yeah, I was kind of disappointed about that. Now that you guys can see that it wasn't clickbait, and yes, this is all my aunt's stuff. I even have boxes down here on the floor of her stuff. We're still going through all this, but this is all the stuff that has been listed. So until next time, you guys, please hit that subscribe button down below. I'm getting myself confused.